All right, in this lesson, we'll take a look at the regular expression that we can use to match white space. We can see it right here, /s. That will capture any space or even any line break in your text. So here I have the exact same sentence as I've had in the previous lessons, and right here in the input bar, I'm going to do /s. My s is lowercase. That is going to match every white space character. So in this case, it's going to be the spaces in between every two words, or in this case, after the comma, any space. Of course, the complementary regular expression to a lowercase s is a capital S, and you guessed it, it's going to be the opposite. It's going to be any non-white space character. So literally any character that is not white space. In this case, it's going to be our alphabetic characters, our commas, our periods, etc. Anything but white space. And that's all there is to cover in this lesson. Lowercase s for white space, capital S for non-white space. I'll see you in the next lesson.